Today, I show you how to quickly delete a Twilio number. First, log into your Twilio console at console.twilio.com. Once you're in, go to Phone Numbers, then select Manage and finally click on Active Numbers. This page lists all your active numbers. If this guide is helpful, hit the like button now to get more tech tutorials. Find the number you want to delete and click on it to open its details. Scroll down to find the red Release This Number button. Remember, this action is permanent. It will remove the number from your account and may become available to others. Double check you're releasing the correct number, then click the button and confirm when prompted. And that's it. Your Twilio number is now deleted, keeping your account organized and up to date. Thanks for watching. Comment if you have questions and subscribe for more Twilio and tech tutorials.